if the Bini Kingdom have wanted to isolate people from their language, we would have done it. Our Oba deliberately do it. He didn't want to claim people's identity. We didn't want to do that. Let you speak let Eka speak their language. Let you don't speak their language. Let you Robo speak their language. Let the Edo people speak their language. Let Esan speak their language. Let Eka speak. So identity, when we know your identity, we will be able to know how to address you. So now, if you as a car man, you are answering an Igbo name, how do you want me to address you? Okay, so if I meet with you and I tell you say me na Edoma, then you tell me you na a car man. I say my name na Joseph Ogiho. You tell me say your name na Chukwu Emeka. I go say, are you an Igbo? Me say no, you are a car. You see, for me now, for hearing that name alone, I will be thinking you are trying to deceive me. You understand me now? So there is that mistrust will start to set in. Say this man, it a bear Igbo name. It tell me saying na a car man. So the problem here is not that we don't hate each other. It's just that that's misidentity. Okay, you born Pikin. You know that you are a descendant of Benin. You are a car proper. Why not give you the car name?
I just tired.
Why not give him a car name? Okay, why must you give it an Igbo name? So, which means you yourself, you have also sell out your identity. Just as Esau sell his birthright to Jacob and he cannot get it back. You give your Pikin Emeka, as time goes on, right? Somebody meet your Pikin, say, what is your name? My Emeka Chukuma. You are an Igbo man. My papa tell me say I be a car person. He say no, your papa lie. If not be to where you go the answer Igbo. You see, confusion already enter. So what I will beg you, the car people, please. I know it's difficult. If you can rename your children, start renaming your children. And the 1 year to born, when you born them, give them all my children were born here in England. I cannot give them Peter Davison. Why will I give them Peter Davison? Because they were born in England. God forbid. Okay? So please, my brother, I will beg you. You are a car brother from Benin. Okay? We are blood brother from prince and princesses lineage. All you need to do is that let our traditional people in a car identify yourself as a car person. If we have wanted to change your identity, we would have changed it. But we don't want to. Okay? But why are you changing your identity by yourself? I'm begging you, as a car man, answer a car name. Be proud of who you are. Be proud of your identity.
He said that if the Oba of Bini wanted to isolate people from their language, that they would have done it. He said that in the past, that the Oba of Bini did not want Eka people to stop speaking Eka language. He does not want Ijaw people to stop speaking Ijaw language. He does not want Esan people to stop speaking Esan language. And because of that, he allowed everyone to be speaking their own language. Okwane people should be speaking Okwane language. Eka should be speaking Eka. Oshimiri should be speaking Oshimiri. Anyocha should be speaking Anyocha. Isoko should be speaking Isoko. Urobo should be speaking Urobo. Ijaw should be speaking Ijaw, and so on. That statement alone proved that all these tribes that are mentioned are not Bini people. Eka people should be speaking Eka their language. Okwane people should be speaking Okwane their language. That statement means that Eka people were never Bini people. Okwane people were never Bini people. The man they talk say the language of these people they different from Bini Kingdom. That those people have their own language. Why is he calling those people Bini people? In Bini Kingdom, they use greeting to identify everyone there. Bini people that have Igbo origin, they greet Lavieze in Bini Kingdom. Those people that are greeting Lavieze in Bini Kingdom today, they are of Igbo origin. The language they speak now in Bini Kingdom is Bini language. But their origin is Igbo land. If you go to Bini Kingdom today, there are Bini people that greet Lagiesan. Bini people that their ancestry is being traced to Esan land. What they are being greeted in Bini Kingdom is La Gyesan. Bini people also greet La Uhe. Uhe means Ile-Ife in Osun State, Yoruba land. All Bini people that trace their ancestry to Ile-Ife, what they greet is La Uhe. Bini people also greet La Mogun. La Mogun is also traced to Ile-Ife. This information is coming from Bini history. According to the late Esobam of Bini, Chief Edebiri, he said that Bini people that are greeting La Vieze are of Igbo origin. The ones that are greeting La Gyesan are of Esan origin. The ones that are greeting La Uhe are of Ile-Ife, Yoruba origin. The Esobam said that his own ancestors came from Ile-Ife, that what they are being greeted in Bini Kingdom is La Uhe. So these are the reasons why Bini Kingdom were unable to change the language of Ukwane people, Ika people, Oshimiri people, Anyocha people, Urobo people, Isoko people, Ijo people, Esan people, and so on. The late Chief Edebiri, the Esobam of Bini Kingdom, he said that greeting in Bini Kingdom is a mark of identification. If you go so many Ika community today, what say they greet for them like Yeze? That greeting is telling them where they came from, which is Igbo land. Eze stands for Eze Chime. When Eze Chime was in Bini Kingdom, he was made the Iyase of Bini Kingdom. This information came from the late Chief Edebiri. He said that the Oba of Bini made Eze Chime, an Igbo man, the Iyase of Bini Kingdom. He said that the name of the Oba of Bini then is Oba Ohobua. Saying I make Eze Chime the Iyase of Bini Kingdom. Chief Edebiri said that Eze Chime is not a Bini man. Now Bini chief they talk this thing. The Bini chief said that the greetings in Bini Kingdom shows where someone came from. Go Bini Kingdom today, you go see so many Bini families they speak like Eze. They are not of Bini origin. That Eze is traced to Eze Chime. This is the reason why Bini Kingdom not fit change the language of all these people. When I tell you that Bini Kingdom is made up of so many tribes, these people they speak Bini today, so many of them are not of Bini origin. They trace their ancestry to Igodomigodo, Yoruba, Igbo, Esan, Ijo, Urobo, Isoko. Now these people come together from Bini Kingdom. The language that Bini Kingdom speak today is a mixture of all these languages. Bini Kingdom use the Igbo for market days. They use Igbo calendar. They use so many Igbo words in their language. What Bini Kingdom call fowl is okoko. What they call civet is ediabane. What they call dog is ekita. And so on. They also use so many Yoruba words in Bini Kingdom. They use so many Esan words. Bini Kingdom is a combination of different people. And this man is here telling people that are not Bini people to be identified as Bini. The Bini man said that if he sees an Ika person bearing Chukwuemeka, Chukwubueze, that he sees the Ika person as an Igbo person. That Ika people should stop giving their children Igbo names and start giving their children Ika names. Ika language is classified as an Igboid language. If you enter internet type Ika language, they go tell you say Ika language is an Igboid language. Ika people are Igboid people in Delta North. How can you be saying that a people speaking Igboid language should stop giving their children Igboid names and start giving their children Igbo names? Ika people stop giving your children Igbo names and be giving them Igbo names. Hey, these Bini people not get sense. So make Ika people stop to give their children Igbo name. Make they give their children Igbo name. There are names in Igbo land that Ndi Igbo bear in common. Those names are so common in Igbo land. Names like Chukwuemeka. We Ukwane people, we call it Chukwuemeke. Names like Chinaza, they bear it all over Igbo land. Chukwunalo, Chukwubueze, Olise. All these names are so common in all parts of Igbo land. But there are dialectical names. There are names that you can only find these names in Ebonyi State. You can only find these names in Abia State. You can only find these names in Anioma land. You can only find these names in Imo State. You can only find these names in Enugu State. You can only find these names in River State. If you go to Ebonyi State, you will see people from Izi bearing Nodo. We know they bear those kind of name for Okwane land. That name Nodo is an Igbo name. If you come Okwane, we dey bear Odegene as name. If you come to Okwane land, we bear names like Ejubana. We bear names like Opute. All these names are names that if you see anybody where they bear that name for Anambra State, now person where they say him ancestry is traced to Okwane land. If you see anybody where they bear that name for Oshimiri or Anyocha, their ancestry is traced to Okwane land because now Okwane people they bear that kind of name. Go Abreba, their names that they bear there, you know, go see that kind of name for Okwane land. But all those names are Igbo names. They are called dialectical names. You can only know the meaning of that names based on that dialect. If you understand that Igbo dialect very well, you can know the meaning of that name. In Ika land, another name for Chi is Ehi. In Okwane land, another name for Chi is Osai. Osai is my surname. In Okwane land, another name for Chi also is Ashe. Chi, Ashe, Osai, all of them mean the same thing, but they are different words. These Benin people will be telling Okwane people, stop saying Chi. You people should be saying Ashe. You people should be saying Osai. Only Igbo people use Chi. You Okwane people are not Igbo people. Stop using Chi. This is what Benin people are telling our Okwane people. Okwane people, you people should stop calling Chuku. You people should start calling Olise. What you call in Okwane land is Olise. It's not Chuku. Ika people, you people should stop calling Chuku. What you call in Ika land is Oselobue. It's not Chuku. That word Oselobue that Bini people are calling is of Igbo origin, not Bini. That word Oselobue originally means Olisebuluwa. But Bini people call it as Oselobue. That word Ose is the short form of Olise. They call it Oselobue. It's not Oselobue. It is Olisebuluwa. And if you come to Ikaland today, so many of them are always saying Oselobue Yenimeka and they pay Oselobue. Then they talk Oselobue. When I hear it, I know that this is another Igbo way of praising the supreme being. Oselobue is an Igbo word, but many people go tell the people, make when I start to talk Chuku now Oselobue. If I see those people, I just they laugh. Waiting Benin people know about history. He is telling Ika people to stop bearing Igbo names and be bearing Ika names. Ika names are Igbo names. Ika is Igbo. The government of Delta State recognized Ika people as Igbo people. Ika, Okwane, Oshimiri, and Anyocha are not ethnic groups. The only ethnic group that Bia speaking people have in this country called Nigeria is Igbo. Ikwere is not an ethnic group. That's why you go see some Okwane people, Oshimiri, Anyocha, Ika, Ikwere, they go to tell you say they be ethnic group. Say they be separate people from Igbo. The federal government go just they look them as now they know. All we know is that these people are Igbo people. You can't deny it. You cannot run faster than your shadow. You be Igbo, be say you be Igbo. Now Bidima go come tell Ika people who they be. Ika is of Igbo origin, not Bini. We know say there are some families in Ika land that came from Bini. But you know me say the whole Ika people are Bini people. So those Bini families where they for Ika land, now them you they see, they propagate all these lies about Ika history. Abo is from Bini, Owa is from Bini, Otoloko is from Bini, Akomazi is from Bini, Owa is from Bini. That is what these people are doing, spreading lies. Akomazi Kingdom in Ika land, Owa Kingdom in Ika land, Umunede, Otoloko, and many others, they trace their ancestry to Nri Kingdom in Anambra State. And you go see somebody they call, they talk say Ika land belongs to Bini Kingdom. Make una come collect Ika land from Igbo, make we see. Come and collect Ika land from we Igbos, let us see. Bini people, they go just there for TikTok. Their topic na Ika people. Ika people are descendants of Bini princes. Ika people are Bini people. They are not Igbo people. Look at an elderly man that is supposed to be in his house taking care of his grandchildren. He is here telling Ika people to stop bearing Igbo names, to be bearing Ika names, as if Ika names are not Igbo names. He said that Igbo people are calling Ika people Igbo people because Ika people are bearing names like Chukwuemeka, Chukwubueze, and so on. The name of the day of Abo is Ike Chukwu. So many kings in Ika land, Chukwu dey their names. If to say Ika communities na 15 in numbers, 10 of those communities Chukwu dey the name of their Obi. Did Ndi Igbo from the southeast colonize Ika people? No. Did Ndi Igbo force Igbo language on Ika people? No. Was there a time that Ndi Igbo invaded Ika land? No. And Ndi Igbo the ones telling Ika people to be giving their children Chukwuemeka, Chukwuneku? No. So what is the problem of these Bini people? What is their problem? Expansionist agenda. Bini people are so tiny in Nigeria. Now that Edo state you go just see Bini people. Today they are saying that Urobo people are Bini people, Isoko people are Bini people, Ukwane, Eka, Oshimiri, Anyocha, Ikwere, and many others are Bini people. Why? They are trying to expand. If Bini people see any people where be say that they thought say they be Bini people, say their ancestor called Chime left Idu land to their present location, Bini people go to say, hey, what did those people talk now true? That their ancestor na Bini man. A name that does not have any meaning in Bini language, because those people leave Idu land go where they dey now. Bini people go talk say those people na Bini people. Onyekachukwu left Idu land because of the harsh treatment of the Oba of Bini. Bini people go talk say Onyekachukwu is a Bini prince. Onyekachukwu is a Bini man. Onyekachukwu is from the Bini royal family, because they want to expand, because now that lie be the only thing where they hold to expand, to claim people and their land. Ezemu, the founder of Ubuluku, he's not a Bini man. Ezemu is not a Bini name. Ezemu have brothers. One of them is called Obodo. Are these people Bini people? No. Are they Bini names? No. But Bini people are there propagating that Ubuluku people are Bini people. They are saying that Ezechime is a Bini man. Anaba is a Bini man. Akalaka is a Bini man. Ochichi is a Bini man. Are these names Bini names? No. This is the reason why the Igbo unification movement is here, to correct all these errors, to open the eyes of our people, for them to know that these Bini people are expansionists. The major people fighting the creation of a Anioma state are Bini people, because they know that if we Anioma people join our brothers in the southeast through Anioma state, then all this their expansionist agenda have been destroyed. And that is why Bini people have taken it upon themselves to be coming on social media lying, telling Ika people that Ika people are not Igbo people, so that Ika people will not want to join the southeast. Okwane people are not Igbo people, so that they will not join the southeast. Expansionists. If you hear Bini history, na lie that they talk. Bini people history not dey straightforward. Bini people not go ever write say they adopt from these people, say people for so tribe can't join them. They not go talk like that. Their own be say na them born everybody. This is why we are saying that Anioma people support the creation of Anioma state and the southeast zone, so that we Anioma people will get Anioma state and join our brothers in the southeast, so that Bini people will stop claiming that they are the ones that own Ika land. They own Oshimiri, Anyocha, and Okwane people. Whether Bini people like it or not, if they like, make them full social media, they talk rubbish. Ika land remains Igbo land and territory. Ika people are Igbo people. Same with we Okwane people. Same with the whole Anioma people. Anioma state must be actualized and zoned to the southeast. So, Bini people, if una talk finish, make una run enter house. Igbo bofu, Ishe wale.